Hi everybody, it's Matt from all over the lake, and today me and Dan are heading out to, I'm not sure what we're gonna do. We don't know what is happening, what's going on. We're gonna do a little bit of mushroom hunting, but it's pretty late in the season, so I don't know if we're gonna find much. If they're all fried and dyed, and you know, we're probably gonna do a little bit of fishing. So this might be a fishing video, it might be a mushroom video, it might be both. Maybe I don't know what we're doing. Who knows, man? I don't know what we're gonna catch. So
either way, it's gonna be some good time.
This is gonna be an exciting video. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. All right, guys. Gonna poke our heads in the woods and see if we can find some mushrooms. So let's see what we got. Ah, you just flung water on me. All right, guys, we're out here gonna do a little bit of fishing. So hopefully there's some fish around here and we make an awesome video. So let's see what happens. No, I hate the spinner baits. Oh, ooh, splash. Oh, because that's why.
Got him?
Oh, there he goes. Oh, get over here.
Got a bone. Yep. Bass here.
Oh, yeah, that's a nice little bass, ain't it? Oh, yeah. Oh, really?
It seems like it's swimming. Maybe I'm crazy.
Thanks for the good time. Oh, this is so fun. I love the Whopper Plopper. Nothing beats the Whopper Plopper. Joik. What a joik. Oh, I'm gonna get a bass. That totally is Bass City. Oh, I knew it. Oh, it's just a little dinker. He's just a little guy. Fat little guy for a little bass, though. That's still a fun bass. I got him. Ooh. Did you see him? Did you see? Oh, did he just come off? No, he's swimming towards me is the deal.
You don't like my Whopper Plopper here. Maybe it's some kind of bacon Whopper Plopper. You see your Whopper Plopper?
Look at that.
Bass, man. Yeah.
Beautiful green bass. Thanks for the good times. Ooh!
I was just fishing right there.
Come here, buddy. Oh! Yo! Oh, come on. Come on, feller. Oh, I hope you get a bass. That's frustrating. It's just dumb luck, man. I'm just dumb and lucky. Just dumb luck. Look at, aren't they beautiful? Look how green and pretty he is. Yeah. Oh, what a bass, man. Beautiful. Oh, thank you for the good times, buddy. It's so fun catching you and watching Dan get all pissed off. Look at his face. He's so mad. I want you to catch one. I hope you catch one. I'm kidding, man. It's slightly amusing. You're going to get one. It'll be exciting when you do. Next time we come. Oh.
Right?
Yeah. Ooh.
Hope you hook him really nice and breaks off your precious Whopper Plopper.
I hope it spits it right in your eyeball and you're blinded for life, Matt.
There's probably some big old monster bluegills up in there.
Ooh!
Yeah, right up in the stuff, huh?
Yeah, as soon as it hit, man. Ooh, sniggity snack. I'm the Bass King, oh, I'm the Bass King, oh, yeah. Bass King, Matt. Come on, I'm the Bass King. Oh, come on, calm down, buddy. You know me, it's a Bass King. Oh yeah, Bass King. Carol Bass King. ow, ow, ow. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wouldn't you like to have one? You want me to stick a little hook in his mouth and you reel him in? Want me to hook him? Want me to hook him on your spinnerbait?
Don't worry, I'll pat on the side of the tree like I have it on the pump.
Oh snap. Can you get a picture of me, please?
No way. You're crazy.
Oh, really?
Loading up in the tree. Give me a
I need a thumbnail, man. I need a thumbnail. All right, buddy. Whatever you do, don't bite on Daniel's pole. Go free. Go free. Stay away from him. Bass, you get him? Awesome. Oh, you're snagged in a tree, huh?
No, it's swimming in.
Oh, good. You feel a little better?
Nice crappie.
Oh, look at that, man.
It is.
Look at that. Look at what Daniel caught, man.
Right in the perfect spot on the lip.
Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Look at that. Hold that crappie out after you hookify him. Beautiful, man. Beautiful.
Man.
Oh, snap.
Get over. Hurry.
Here.
There you go. Oh, that'll work.
All right, sorry. Can I get a picture of you? That might be the thumbnail. That's
a nice beefy crappie right there.
Let me get a shot of it. It was Bass City. Ooh, don't come off you. Go, buddy. Woo!
I'm over the tree.
That's insane. That's a good bat. Where is he?
Get me off the tree.
Oh, dude, that's a nice bass. That's the nicest bass of the day. Yeah, that's a nice one. Dang, I wish I brought my scales, man. They're in the...
Yeah, they're eating good for sure. Look at that belly on him.
That one's nice. That one's 3 pounds, I think.
Maybe 3 1/4.
Bass City, right there. Right by that stick for show. Oh! That was crazy. Cray cray! Oh, oh, cray cray. Get your little bass self over here. You better kick. All right, thanks for the good times. That was fun. Oh, that seems like a bass for sure. Who? What was that? Little tiny little bass. He's freaking ticked off. He was real mad. He's a real mad bass. A real mad. Here comes a 4-pounder right now. Here comes a big old 4-pounder. Jimbo. Come here, Jimbo. Oh, I got Jimbo. I knew Jimbo was over there. Oh, it's digging. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh, get over here, Jimbo. Come on, Jimbo. I knew you were over here. Get over here, Jimbo. Jimbo, Jimbo. Don't you get away from me, Jimbo. Oh, he's digging. He's digging. Oh. Oh, that is a nice bass. Get up in here. Oh, come on, bass. Plop. That's a nice bass, eh? Nice bass. Probably a good 2.5 pounder. Thanks for the good times. Thanks, Jimbo. That was fun. I don't know, man. Time to catch a 5-pounder is what time it is.
Oh, I knew it.
See, it don't have nothing. Oh, that's a nice one. Yee, good times, good times, good times. Oh yeah, this one's probably close to 3, but I think yours was like 3.5. Thanks for the good times, buddy. Ooh, oh gosh, that's a good one. Ooh, he hit it hard. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Always gonna take your time. That's definitely the best of the day. That was 4 pounds, easy, huh?
I think that might be a 4-pounder, dude. Oh, I wish I had my scales on me, dude. That's a nice bass. Oh, look at that fish. Look at that fish. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fish.
With the belly on him.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a 4-pound bass.
I wish I had my scales, but it's a nice bass, whatever it is. Woo, I'm happy with it. Thanks for the good times.
Yeah, I cast way out towards the
Ooh.
See? Good thing I got snagged up. You just got a fish right there in the middle. Yeah, they could be anywhere in this freaking rock. There's cover everywhere for them, is the good thing about it.
Oh, that's not a bad bass. Nice little bass there. Ooh, I'll take it. At least a couple pounder, I'd say. Thanks for the good times. I had some fun. I caught I don't know, at least 10 fish, I think. And Dan caught probably 5 or so. He was kind of struggling there for a minute to get down his rhythm and whatnot. So I've been out fishing a couple times this year. So I got my A game going. So yeah, it's his first outing this year, but I think we had some good times. So I had fun. So got to head home, and hope you guys like this video. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more of my content. Hit the thumbs up button and leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see me do next time, guys. All right, guys. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.